Okay, so a middle school parking lot is 400 feet long and 200 feet wide. The school board wants to double the dimensions of the parking lot. How will the perimeter and the area of the enlarged lot compare to the perimeter and the area of the current parking lot? Show your work and explain your thinking. So the current parking lot is 400 feet long and 200 feet wide. So for perimeter, that means you measure the distance around this shape of this parking lot. Uh, what would it be? It would be 1,200 because it's 200 times 200, which is 400, and then 400 times 400, which is 800, and then so 400 and 800 together is 1,200. 1,200 feet. Now the area is base times height. So it's going to be 400 times 200. What is that? 800. So this is 800 feet squared. So the perimeter is 1,200 feet. It's 1,200 feet around. Yes. Eight. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put 800. My bad, guys. Uh, so 8, and then how many zeros? So it's 80,000. My bad. Feet squared. So the perimeter is 1,200 feet. The area is 80,000 feet squared. So they want to double this parking lot. They want to double the dimensions of the parking lot. So our new parking lot, we come over here, the enlarged parking lot. I know the rectangles are the same size. It does not matter. It's just a visual. What would be my new length if I want to double it? 800. My new width, 400. So he's saying, can we just multiply both answers by 2? That's what we're trying to figure out. Can we just multiply the perimeter by 2 to get the new perimeter? Can we just multiply the area by 2 to get the new area? So let's figure that out. So again, the question he asked was, can we just multiply both of these answers by 2 since we're doubling the dimensions? Well, let's see. So for perimeter, what would be my new perimeter? It's 400 here, 400 there, 800 here, 800 there. What would be the new perimeter? 2,400. Good. So 2,400 feet. For the new area, what would that be? Now 160 to me. 8 times 4 is 32. And then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 320,000 feet squared. So if we look at the perimeter, what happened to it? It says, describe the relationship between the perimeters of the two parking lots. What happened? It's times what? Times 2. It doubled. The perimeter doubled. What about the area? Describe the relationship of the areas of the two parking lots. Good, it quadrupled, right? It's times what? Times 4. The area was multiplied by 4. Okay, so the next part says on a park map. A picnic area is represented by a rectangle with the coordinates 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 4, and 6, 0. The park is going to be renovated, and the new picnic area will be half of the current size. How would this affect the area and perimeter of the picnic area on the map? So we're going to do the first. We're going to do the first picnic area together. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 4, 6, 4, 6, 0. So this is my picnic area. Okay. And it says they want to cut that in half. So you flip over to the back. It's asking us to describe the perimeter and the area of the picnic area. So first of all, perimeter, we're going to count in units because there's squares. So it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units long, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 units wide. So what would be my perimeter there? What'd you say, 20? Okay, good. 20 units. What about the area? If it's 6 long, 4 wide, what's the area there? Good, 24 units squared. Now remember, they're cutting our area in half. So you guys are going to do from this point down, and you're going to start first with describing the new coordinates for the new area. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these coordinates and do what to them? Divide them by 2. So you're going to cut them in half. Then draw the new image for the new picnic area and then answer the questions. Does that make sense? Yes, no, maybe so? All right, good.